television reporter Jay Ruiz was robbed this morning at his home in Mapayapa Village in Quezon City. Miguel Ortilla has that story.
Early today, burglars ransacked the home of news reporter Jay Ruiz in Don Antonio subdivision. Later today, it was discovered that thieves also tried to break into two other houses in the same village. Ruiz says the valuables taken from him are not his concern, rather the peace of mind that was lost knowing that men entered his home while his entire family was sound asleep.
Siyempre natutulog ka sa sarili mong tahanan, kasama mo pamilya mo. Tapos hindi mo alam kung kailan na pwede palang pasukin ng kahit na sino tong bahay niyo ng biglaan.
Authorities say the robbers might have sprayed some substance to keep the Ruiz household from waking up. The burglars must have taken their time enough to take the chocolates and mineral water from the fridge.
Pati nga yung ref ko binuksan eh. Yung ref binuksan, kumuha pa ng pagkain.
Hindi nyo nga po naramdaman, di ba, na pinasukan po kayo since nagbukas nga po ng mga pintuan?
Hindi namin, doon nga ako nagtataka dahil wala ni isang nagising sa amin eh, pati mga kasambahay namin. Kaya nakapagtataka.
Ay, hindi kayo nagising pare?
Hindi eh, hindi kami nagising eh. Ngayon, siyempre nililinis na yung bahay pero kanina talaga parang binagyo.
The Philippine National Police gives several tips to avoid homes from being burglarized. First, double-check all knobs and locks to make sure they are still sturdy enough to resist forced entry. Second, it's always best to have steel grills mounted on window panes. Third, make sure your compound is well lit. Then if you have the budget, the PNP also suggests investing in a CCTV security system. But all these tips are for those who have the means. For those who don't, the PNP says simply having a pet dog would also help warn the household of possible intruders. Burglars usually survey their targets before they operate. Seeing all these barriers to entry would most likely make them hesitate. Finally, the PNP adds that no matter how stringent they monitor street crimes, nothing still beats being alert, orienting house help of security protocols, and knowing your barangay, village security, and police hotlines. Miguel Ortilla, Solar News.